know how I transformed and used this $5 Goodwill stool? Well, you have to stay until the end. Okay, so you don't, but where's the fun in that? So I dragged my husband to Goodwill and Arc thrift store where I found this Grinch green wine rack for $7. Beauty is definitely in the eye of the beholder because everybody walked right past it, but I knew I had to have it. So I pulled out my trusty Rust-Oleum paint, primer, and plastic that I got from Lowe's. Then I made a bucket of warm soapy water and cleaned my new find so that my primer and paint would properly adhere. Let's just say red paint and glitter are definitely for Elton John, not furniture, because it took several coats to cover. Finally, I sprayed my Dollar Tree dot stickers and affixed them to the stool. Word to the wise, you should use a clear coat to protect them from the elements. My secret? Both pieces landed in the $20 upcycled bar video, part 3 of the design series. And this funky polka dot stool? I used it as a plant stand. Comment, like, subscribe, and share this video, and check out the rest of the Thrifted DIY Patio on a Budget design series.